and welcome to another edition of What I Bought Wednesday. I'm actually coming to you from my dining room with my fun living room behind me. Thank you guys so much for all of your kind comments, and I just so appreciate every single one of y'all for showing up every week for all of these fun finds. As always, all of the products that I'm sharing with you are linked below. If you can't find them right now, all you have to do is just click on the title and all of the links will pull up. But if you have any questions or there's anything that I can ever help with, just know that I'm here to help in any way. So these are all of my fun finds, that things I've discovered, things that have showed up at my house that I just thought were fun that I wanted to share with all of y'all. So there's a little bit of fashion, a little bit of makeup, and we have a little bit of organization today. So are y'all ready? You want to go ahead and get started? Okay, so let me go ahead and, oh gosh, I don't even know which one to start with. First of all, I did want to say, I'm going to link this shirt. It is the cutest shirt. The thing I love about it is it has these balloon sleeves. I don't know if y'all can see this, but the cuff, look how the cuff is super generous. So it just kind of glides over your arm. It's absolutely amazing. It comes in tons of different colors, and actually a lot of the colors are in clearance right now. So it is linked below. Just click on the title and the link to my shirt. I'll also go ahead and link these fun earrings. They have little tiny, let me just do a close up so y'all can see them. They have little tiny flowers on them. I don't know if y'all can see, with the gold leaf. So just a really fun summer earring, or they would carry you into fall too as well. So, okay, now that we've gotten what I'm wearing on Wednesday out of the way, let's go ahead and let's start with this. Okay, so this is a super, super fun base. Like, I cannot recommend it. I actually just got a sample of a much higher end base in the with something I purchased, and I tried it and I liked it, but I actually like this better. Now, I went with a little bit darker color right now because summertime, and you pick up a little bit more sun, and so this is a little bit darker color. The coverage is incredible for the price, and so I will go ahead and link it here. I cannot, you guys, you will love this. It is really, really good coverage for the price. Definitely just as good of coverage as some of the higher end foundations that I have used. So it's from L'Oreal, comes in tons of different colors, and I will go ahead and link it here. So, okay, so the next thing I wanted to share with you guys is, speaking of earrings, let's go. These are from Target as well, and they are actually on clearance right now for $11. Look at how cute. Let me hold them up so y'all can see. Look at how cute those are. Let me hold them up to my ears for size reference. Really, really fun. They would look cute with this shirt. They would look cute with a dress. You could wear them out to dinner. You could just, they'd look really cute with your hair pulled back in a pony too. So very, very cute, from Target, on clearance right now for $11. Let's go. Okay, now the next thing I want to share with you is definitely a splurge. So we've had two kind of budget items, and this is a splurge, but y'all, I cannot. Like, my day is made the day I got this. Now, I got this on sale at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I don't know if any of y'all are shopping that, but this is a cologne company called Jo Malone, okay? And it comes with a sample set of some of their fun colognes. And they are, I mean, just by themselves, they're amazing. But the secret is you layer them to create your very own scent. Like, let's whoop. Oh. Sometimes they fall on the ground. But so let me just go ahead. So there's sea salt, there's peony, there's hibiscus. So I really like to layer. This is called Wild Bluebell. Oh, let's go. And then you take another scent, like you could layer peony or something like that on top of it, and you just kind of mix it together. Oh, let's go, Jo Malone. Can we be best friends forever? So such a cute little set. One is on the floor right now. So, but just a fun little set. And the entire set, I have it linked here. Now it is a little bit pricey, but I actually went back and tried. So I got it on sale and I went back and tried to link it for y'all, but it was already sold out. I had shouted it out on Instagram and it already sold out. But I found a super similar set and linked it here just in case you wanted to treat yourself with a little bit of splurge. But oh wait, I wish this was smell-o-vision so y'all could smell how, oh, so yummy. And the best part is you can just layer, you can mix, and there's so many different combinations online. You can just Google Jo Malone Cologne and all kinds of different fun options show up of people that have layered different scents. Okay, so the next thing I want to share with y'all is a little bit of organization. So these are gold. Somebody told me about them and I ordered them and I just saw that it's a 24-piece set and I think it's on sale right now for $21. So they come in different sizes. So here's, for example, here's a larger size, here's a medium size, and here is a smaller size. Now, they have these little rubber things on the bottom of them. I don't know if y'all can see those, but the rubber things kind of hold them in place in the drawer. So the best part is you can mix and match any combination. So like here's a longer one with a shorter one with a smaller one. And then, so I have so many sets of these. I have them in drawers, and I put like a hairbrush here, like we put the remote here. There was like a little needle and thread in this set right here, but you can mix and match. You can actually just do 2 of these together. So they really are designed to fit any drawer. And if you kind of have a drawer that's a little bit messy, that needs a little bit of help, here is your best friend right here. Look at how cute. So there's 24-piece set, and I think it's on special deal right now for $21, which, I mean, please, like you could probably, with one set, I think I organized 2 chests of drawers, the top of 2 drawers with the set of them. So they come in a ton of different sizes, and then, if you're not using them, they stack like this. So they, not only they organize themselves, and they're not being organizers. So, okay, and now the very last thing that I want to share with you guys. Hello, fall. It is so nice to meet you. Oh, okay. So wait until y'all see how cute. This is from Target, and I kept the tag on just so y'all could see. Let's go $20 from Target. Now, if you guys are at all interested in this, I would run because I've seen this online. A lot of people are posting it. I got this from my local Target. Look at the collar. I don't know if y'all can see that adorable little collar. It's short sleeve, so it's the perfect sweater to take you from, kind of the beginning of fall into fall. So cute. It has a little bit of a gathered bottom to it, but it comes in cream, and it also comes in, this is kind of like a gray. And look at the sleeves. I don't know if y'all can see that on the sleeves. There's a tiny little pattern on the sleeve. So you can, here, let me put this up here so you can get an idea. It looks super, super high end. Like I saw it in the middle of Target, and I may or may not start screaming with like joy and throwing it into my cart. Like I was so giddy with the joy. Look at how absolutely cute it is. Now it does run true to size. So, you want to make sure that you get whatever your normal size is, but it comes in this color, this gray color, and it also comes in cream. So just a quick reminder of everything we've shared today, this fun sweater, these incredible organizers, these fun earrings, hold them up, these fun earrings, this fun set from Jo Malone, and this incredible foundation. And as always, y'all, I always encourage you, I love to shop, but the key to shopping is to remember to buy the things that you love. If you buy what you love and fill your heart and your home and your wrists, oh, so deliciously smelling, and fill all of that, then It's fun to shop, but never ever do I want you to ever feel any pressure to buy anything. I suggest I just do this for the fun of it and the absolute joy of it. Always remember, you are special, you are wonderful, you are loved, and you are amazing. Be sure and subscribe to my channel and follow along for tons more videos. I put one out every single Wednesday and sometimes a bonus video on Sundays. Make sure to click the subscribe button and you will get a notification when I go live with my next video. Have a day as amazing as you are.